century. Hey, you there! Let's begin our alphabet adventure. Choose the letter to play.
A. Build the letter A.
Very good! Hooray! Outstanding!
Great, you did it. You made the letter A. A. Match the letter with its shape.
Very good!
Build the animal.
Very good! Outstanding! Hooray! Great job!
Great, you did it. A is for alligator.
La 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 la.
Drag the pictures to the right place.
Very good! That's it! That's it!
Awesome. A is for ape. A is for apple. A is for ant. Drag the pictures back to their place. Brilliant. A. A is for astronaut. A is for aquarium. A is for apple. A is for ambulance. Build the letter B.
Outstanding! Hooray! Outstanding!
Congratulations! You built the letter B. B. Match the letter with its shape.
Super cool!
Build the animal.
You did it! Perfect! Great job! Hooray! Very good! Hooray!
Amazing! B is for bear. Drag the pictures to the right place.
Great job! Super cool! Perfect!
Great work. B is for book. B is for bear. B is for butterfly. Drag the pictures back to their place. Amazing! You did it! B. B is for butterfly. B is for ball. B is for bear. B is for bird. Build the letter C.
Super cool! You did it! Great job!
Great work. This is the letter C. C. Match the letter with its shape.
Super cool!
Build the animal.
Super cool! Hooray! Super cool! Super cool! That's it!
Great work. C is for cat. Drag the pictures to the right place.
Very good. Very good. Super cool.
Brilliant. C is for corn. C is for cake. C is for car. Drag the pictures back to their place. Amazing. C. C is for crocodile. C is for crayon. C is for cookie. C is for coconut. Build the letter D.
Very good. You did it. You did it.
You are really clever. You made the letter D. D. Match the letter with its shape.
That's it.
Build the animal.
Great job. You did it. Very good.
Fantastic. D is for duck.
Bye bye.
Drag the pictures to the right place.
You did it. Super cool. Super cool.
Awesome. D is for dog. D is for duck. D is for diamond. Drag the pictures back to their place. Amazing! You did it! D. D is for doll. D is for dog. D is for door. D is for duck. Build the letter E.
Very good. Perfect. Outstanding. Outstanding.
Great, you did it. You made the letter E. E. Match the letter with its shape.
You did it.
Build the animal.
You did it. Very good. Perfect. Very good. Great job.
Wonderful. E is for elephant. Drag the pictures to the right place.
Hooray! Super cool. Super cool.
Super cool. E is for 8. E is for envelope. E is for eye. Drag the pictures back to their place. That's right. E. E is for eggplant. E is for eagle. E is for eye. E is for 8.